et fjernt punkt, så var det altså et lynnedslag, vi var i nærheden af, men som ikke ramte fly. Det er jo heller ikke noget problem for fly at håndtere. Vi var i udkanten af en regnby, tordenby. Vi regner med landing om cirka 5 minutter. Ladies and gentlemen, Captain, you probably felt a small thump. This was a lightning strike close to us. Not on the aircraft. The aircraft, if hit, struck with lightning, it's no problem at all. But this was at some distance, but it gave a thump that you probably heard. That's just what I wanted to explain. We have 5 minutes to landing and everything in perfect order.